Today we're going to be unboxing hashtag hair goals LOL. Well, let's open it up. So here we have splatters, and she's saying, "Color me fabulous." Okay. Let's see who we got. Just open up the packaging. The zippers are always pretty hard, but you can always get through it. Okay. Oh boy. So here we have our stickers. Oh, it's upside down. We got these beautiful stickers that you can use, and we got this clue. What do you guys think it is? Comment below and tell us what you think it is. Okay, and here we have our mirror, magnifying glass. Okay. Okay, let's open this up. Ooh, we got a surprise. It popped right through here. Let's see what we got. Oh, so here we got our hanger that you hang in these little holes, and you just put that there so that it's like a bag, a purse. Okay. And the other thing we got is something that you can put here on this little hole. Then you stick that in here and you can put your doll there. And inside there's a little hole just like this, and you can also stick that there so you can put your doll there. Okay, let's see what we got inside here. Okay, so this is our checklist right here, and I wonder who we got. Okay. Let's set this cute little doll and her cute little mask to go right down here. Okay. Let's open up our other surprises and let's see who we got. Oh, we got one little surprise stuck in there. Let's just open these all up. What did we get in here? Oh, we got these cute little things for your bracelet hand. See, it's just nice and fuzzy. We got 2 of those. Let's just put that aside right here. Okay. Okay, next, let's see what we got. Okay, what did we get in here? Oh, look, we got this beautiful little necklace. Let's put that down right there. And it's nice and golden. See, nice little necklace. And these are the fuzzy things I was talking about. A little thing for her hands, I guess. Okay, the next thing we have is, let's see, I don't know what we got. What is it? We got some shoes. I wonder. Now, where's the other one? There we go. These cute little shoes. Cute. I still don't know who we got. It's a complete surprise. Okay, last one. Oh, cute. We got this little cute outfit. Okay. Little eyeballs on it. Okay, now we're gonna open our, what are they called? Hair curlers. Oh, and we got this cute little brush. And, pro tip. You take your hair and you can roll it up like this, and then you can put it in there, and then you leave it there like a curler. Isn't that cool? Let's leave this here. Okay, last one. Remember, these could be like real hair curlers, so treat it nicely. Okay, and look, we got this amazing, beautiful water bottle. Aww. Okay, let's open this. Put this in there. Oh, it's like stuck on the package. Okay, and it has this cute, adorable little heart and a little handle, and it's nice and see-through. Okay, so I just put that there. And let's put the curler back together. Can't forget this part. Okay, last but not least, let's open the doll. So I'm first going to open the body, and we're all going to see who you think it is. So look, she's pretty cute. Got these little like leggings, I guess. And okay, let's see who we got. I'm really excited. Okay. Before we open it, I'm gonna say who I think we got. I think we got Darling Diva, but I don't know. Okay, let's open it up. And we did get Darling Diva. She has such beautiful hair. It's beautiful. She has purple hair. She got cute little bangs, and she's so pretty. Okay, let's dress her up. So we did get Darling Diva. Oh, she has such beautiful hair and a pretty cute outfit. Before we put that on, let's just put these on her hand. Cute little hands. Okay. Cute. She has these little ones. Oh wait, no, not the shoes yet. Let's put the necklace on. Wow, big, beautiful necklace. Okay, let's try to put this on again. Okay. Oh, I can't put this on here. How is it supposed to look? Okay, so she's supposed to look like this girl right there. Beside Oops Baby, so cute, and Splatters. And beside her is also Mrs. Jive. Okay, now we are gonna reveal her. Gosh, how am I supposed to put this on? I guess you like put that like there, and then you really gotta squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. And your bum is right there, so you just gotta squeeze it more. Hey guys, so I apologize for leaving at this moment. I needed some help with putting the clothes on, and kids, it's okay to ask for help from your parents. And now I am back. Hey guys, okay, so this is what the finale looks like. I'm just gonna finish off by putting the cute little shoes on. Okay, and this is our doll. So cute. Got cute little ponies, little bangs. You can see her. Got little like wristbands. And it's so cute. Darling Diva. And let's see who she is. Is she fancy? Is she common? Let's see. Oh, she's fancy. Right there. And she's color change. Okay, so don't forget to put a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and make sure you like this video. Bye! And also, don't forget to comment down below of what type of video I should do next time. Bye, guys! Always keep a smile on your face. Bye!